Come on, let's pray. Bismillah. Bismillah. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim.
Si Robin mo ko naghahanap ng retirement place. And parang so far, nagugustuhan niya dito sa Brunei.
Dito na ako talaga.
Oo, kaya nga, sabi ko lalo mo na feel na dito ka. I'm gonna show you guys yung mga nagawa ko na. Ito, nasampay na natin. Kasi si Robin, mahilig maglaba. Yan. Okay. Tapos lalabhan niya. Baby, singit ko.
Paglag.
Okay. Kunin natin ito.
Saan lang yan?
2 piraso.
Okay.
Sasampay lang natin. So, meron na tayong jeans, mga t-shirt. Ganyan. Babe, meron shorts dito. Gusto mo labahan? May shorts. Shorts. Oo. Oo, may shorts. Mukhang. Oo. Ito, dun sa lamesa.
Oh, yung ba't ko kagabi yan?
Oo. Para sa'yo naman kasi naglalaba ka na.
Oh.
Nakakatipid talaga kami pag nagta-travel kami kasi yung una namin ginagawa is nag-grocery ako, 'di ba? So every time nag-grocery ako kasi linuluto namin yung food namin. So ang breakfast namin hindi na yan ito leftover from kagabi. Sinigang na salmon, adobong manok, itlog, kanin. Yan, salaba. So, hindi kami yung every meal eat out kasi my kids really like Filipino food. So, important for us to do the grocery and like cook food. Actually, yun is even safer talaga. Kasi at least alam mo, even the oil that you use is so important. Okay? So, yun ang mga tip ko sa inyo. We still get to experience the food kasi hindi naman every time nandito. So, meron kaming usually breakfast and dinner. Bihira na mag-dinner kami sa labas. Actually. Kasi usually, nandito na kami sa house. Pero yung lunch, nasa labas kami. Most of the time. Oh, shock. Okay. Perfect. So now we are here at the old, yes. Wear your hijab, Gab.
Fix your hair.
We're going down the mosque.
Sabila, sit down. Hold on.
Put your hijab. Assalamualaikum.
A food. Okay,
Okay. Ta-da! Okay.
Okay, let's go.
Don't make the viewers dizzy.
Seryoso. 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 No, you look cute.
Tubig sisi, ano mo to sisi? Ilan mo?
For seryoso lang.
Pony Gab dito.
What do you? I thought you cannot.
Come. Iiwan na yan.
Uy.
1958, ginawa.
So it was made 1958.
September 26, 1958.
Yeah, so we are here in the Masjid Omar Ali Saifuddin.
Sige po.
Yan tayo.
Saan po, baka ano na po ang ating lugar.
Ay,
Baka po dito sa ano. Dahil dito sa mga lugar.
So this one is the old mosque. Pero kita mo naman, grabe, sa ganda. Well maintained. Yan. At meron pa siyang water on the side.
ginto talaga yun.
Yeah, the one on the top sa minaret is ginto. Yung dome sa minaret,
Oo, pati yung mismong main dome.
and the main dome is also gold.
Hindi, ganito na rin tayo. Magdadasal na ako.
Oo, dapat. Wow, malamig na naman dun sa loob. Dito, wow, maano, dyan niya pala siya so i-remove yung paa na, I mean yung paa kasi hindi mahirap naman i-remove yung paa. We remove yung shoes namin. Ayan. Aww. We have to go to the girls area. Yeah, they're praying. Hold on. But we can go to the other side. Hold on. So this is the mosque. Come here. This is the girls area. Gab, you're facing the wrong way. Face that way. Si Robin mo ko naghahanap ng retirement place. And parang so far, nagugusto niya dito sa Brunei.
Yeah.
Gusto niya dahil Islamic country. Oo no, parang konti lang yung tao. Asa na doon yung mga tao? Hindi. Walang tao, totoo. Hindi sila overpopulated. Girls, what can you say about Brunei?
I think this is a windy because it is nice. Because of the hotel. I think this is not that country.
You think it's an expensive country because of our hotel? Gab, what about you? What can you say about Brunei?
It's windy and I like it and I love the hotel and I just want to live in the hotel. And I just love how the backyard of the hotel looks so nice. And yeah, I can see the wind. So bye.
Please use the main entrance. I know, it smells so good. Is this some... Hello, where's the main entrance? This one. Okay, thank you. Thank you. just finished our Islamic Museum tour. So in the tour, ang dami naming nakita. The museum was so good. It was so good because kompleto. May mga hair ng mga prophet doon, yung mga pinakalumang Quran, pinakamalaking Quran, yung mga ang dami-dami. It was really very interesting kasi pati na rin yung mga scientists na mga Muslims, ganyan. So, very, very educational. Sadly, hindi pwede mag-take ng videos, but we have a lot of photos and we are going to share them with you now. Yan po yung mga photos. Ang ganda at nakaka-inspire na sana one day sa Pilipinas magkaroon din tayo ng Islamic Museum na ganun kaganda. Sobrang yung mga tao doon maraming kaalaman at talagang nakatulong talaga sila sa amin sa pag-explain ng lahat-lahat. Ang ganda. Now we're going to have our very first restaurant meal. Alam niyo naman na kami talaga pag kumakain sa bahay kami nagluluto, kaya yung hotel namin kailangan nakakapagluto talaga kami kasi nagluluto kami. So we're here in London Cafe and Grill in Brunei. The whole strip, they're all like restaurants. And then the nice thing about this is, oh, parang this one is better, ah. Uy, ang dami, ah. Lunch menu lang yata yung binigay sa akin ni ate. Oh, may buffalo chicken siya. Aba, hindi niya sa akin to binigay kanina, ha? Ito yung nakita ko. Oh my God. Change ko yung order ko. The best part is halal. Tinan mo, inapin nila yung pocket wifi. It's a miracle. Gumana bigla. Okay, so our first meal here. Okay, Annalyn is having a salmon salad. For sharing yan, we're having scallops also. Okay, try natin yung scallops right now. Ito yata yung mga, ito ba yung cubiertos? Tapos yung kutsara nila po, dito, kutsara lang yan, hindi siya serving spoon. Ang laki. So, let's try the scallops. Pero for sharing, paulit-ulit na for sharing. For sharing, para lahat makatry. Tikman natin. Oh my God. I'm gonna give it to you. You're gonna love it. It's so fresh. It's also big. Oh, chinek pa niya kung luto talaga yung loob. Okay. Sarap. Hanggang dito, buffalo wings pa rin ako. My favorite. Diba masarap, Jo?
Sobrang sarap, no?
Diba masarap?
Sarap.
Masarap, diba? To be wolves. Try mo na to be wolves. Sarap, diba? Kamusta yung salad mo?
Maharap.
So, masarap. So, kamusta yung lamb mo, babe?
The best in the West.
That's the lamb.
Halal.
Halal. And how's the steak, my baby loves?
I do not eat steak yet.
Good?
So good. I didn't eat it yet.
Oh, you didn't eat it yet? Okay, kamusta yung steak mo, Mia girl?
5/5.
Wow, 5/5. Yaya Jo, pampano?
Buo pa ho, ma'am.
Oo pa, okay. Ang bait ng mga matatanda na to. Nagsalam lang si sir sa kanya, tapos Thank you.
Enjoy and good night.
Yeah, thank you.
Made is more kind of you.
Yes. Naku, babe, lalo mo na ma-feel na
Dito na ako
oo,
talaga
kaya
titira.
nga, sabi ko lalo mo na feel na dito ka. Sabi niya, it's a family country daw.
Ha?
family country daw.
Magkakapatid
Enjoy family
sila.
time. Oo nga, magkakapatid
Para
sila.
namin sa
At saka nagsalam ka lang sa kanila, tapos kinausap ka na nila, di ba?
Yun. Kaya masarap yung pistachio.
How many days in Brunei?
Only 5 days already.
days.
Yeah. It's our third day.
Third day. I see the video also, so going to the masjid, right?
Yeah,
see
yeah.
those.
Oh,
Yeah.
yes. So yan, masarap. Tapos alam mo, babe, hindi siya mahal.
Oo nga.
Narinig mo ba kung magkano lang?
Oo, magkano?
Parang sa pera natin, 5,000 plus.
Ah, ganun? Nasa
Oo.
200 lang siya.
Oo.
Ah, 100?
100 plus lang.
Baka dahil may discount.
Oh, dahil may discount. Binigyan niya tayo ng discount pala. So if ever that you guys are here in Brunei and you're looking for Western food, dito kayo sa London Cafe. Malinis, masarap, hindi naman siya yung super duper duper mahal. Tapos, we honestly like the food. Just yung ambiance niya, tahimik lang, hindi siya loud. So,
Ayan, great, grabe.
Our car.
yeah, look at it. We're here in the mosque. This, tinatawag ka nung ano, babe? Nung mama. Well, tayo.
Ha?
Imbitahan niya tayo magpunta. Yung intricate work. Ng mosque. Fountain. Wow, ang ganda.
Only one day?
So we're here. Ito yung pinaka sikat ngayon. Ay, parang pinakabagong gawa.
Oringo is not the Muslim. Nani is becoming a Muslim.
Girls, you wanna look at... Do not sit, take pictures on the stairs. We're not allowed to take pictures on the stairs.
Oh, you have to go up.
Yes, we are allowed to go up though. Very nice mosque. Thank you.
Eh, sabi ko nga, babalik kayo eh.
Apa.
Come on, let's pray. So the first thing we have to do is this now. Bismillah, Bismillahirrahmanirrahim.
Good big sister, Isabel.